Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Live Lifestyle Life. I'm sure Mr. Today I'm going to show you how to make tasty and healthy soup at home. So let's get started.
So today the recipe I'm going to show you, it's one of my favorite. I have it every other day. I swear by that. And it's just amazing and tasty. So let's begin.
So for this recipe we need 2 tablespoons of Mung dal and 2 tablespoons of Masoor dal which I've soaked for 1 hour. And then we need 2 carrots, 4 tomatoes and 50 grams of coriander. Then very roughly I have chopped the tomatoes, carrots, and here we have coriander. Then I have strained out the water from the pulses which I have soaked for an hour. Then turn on your gas and add some oil to the pan. I am here using vegetable oil, and then let it heat up for a few seconds and then add some cumin seeds to it. Then stir the cumin seeds for a few seconds. Then add the chopped carrot into the pan. And then fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. After frying it for 1 to 2 minutes, add in the pulses to it. First add the masoor dal. Then add the Mung dal to it. Then fry it all together for 1 to 2 minutes. After frying it for 1 to 2 minutes, add in the tomatoes to it and then fry it again for a few minutes until the tomato gets soft. After the tomatoes get soft, add in some salt as per the taste, and then add some sugar to it. And then mix it all together. And then add in some water. And then add in some corianders to it. By the way, you can add some more water to it because generally soup consistency is really liquidy and thin, but I like it in thick consistency, so I add really less water, but you can add more. After that, let all the veggies boil and cover the pan for 5 to 7 minutes. Then after 5 to 7 minutes, just open and just check if the veggies have boiled well. If the veggies have boiled really well, then turn off the gas and let it cool down for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, when it has cooled down, take it out in a mixer grinder jar.
Then just take everything. and pour it into the jar.
And then grind it well. Then after grinding it, it will look like this. If you want more liquidy consistency, then add some more water to it. And yeah, that's about it. Now serve it in a bowl. And then for garnishing it, I'm here adding one coriander leaf. And this is how my soup is looking like. It's yummy, tasty, and healthy. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, be happy.